Alrighty, here we go. mnum, box of Premier Gold 2014. Every one of them, every pack is a mini. A hit per, oh crap. A hit per mini. Yep. They're killing me. Let's step it down so I don't knock them over. Yep, it is. Yeah, it's like knockout. Alright. I gotta figure out the how they're set in here. Let's see. Okay, those are all the base cards. Captain. Man, I'm gonna kill some of these names. There you go. For Everton. That's Tim Howard's team. And numbered to 99, Bobby Zamora. Are you serious? Did anyone else lose video on sound? Bobby Zamora numbered to 99. You're good? Okay. I was like, oh man. Here we go. Site's crashing. 3:30 in the afternoon. Alright, here's a fatty. Man, that pack does not want to open. Here we go. Alright. Oh, that's sweet looking. Lukaku! It's new signings. Insert. It's like cracked at his feet. Those are cool looking. And Darren Brent relic. You got a pinstripe right down the side. Darren Brent. Who's he playing for? AVFC. And the patch autos are phenomenal. Oh yeah, Jacques, this is probably right up your alley. We have a future stars of Andros Townsend. And Fraser Forster, or Forster. He's with Southampton. These are some of the weirdest packs I've ever seen. They're like double overlap. That's weird. Future stars of Dwight Gale. And flip. Mark Noble autograph. A little comb over going there. Getting a little thin on top. Mark Noble autograph. The first one was, I guess, like maybe a green parallel. That's why it's numbered 9. There's a little loop. You got a little loop-de-loop autograph on that one. Is that numbered? It's purple. That might be numbered. Oh, here is an orange or something. Okay. Once you see them all together, I'm pretty sure that's a parallel. And there's a green. Okay. Sorry, I missed those in them. Yeah, you got a green and an orange. See if those are numbered. Oh, yes, they are. Mark Noble, 11 of 11. 11 of 11. Dang. And 22 of 60 daily blind. 22 of 60 daily blind green, and then here's a purple. 44 of 50 Ryan Shawcross. Ryan Shawcross. Wow. Then we have a Future Stars of Jonjo Shelby. He's from Swansea City. And Mile Jedinak. Mile Jedinak relic. Flip these. I don't think I missed any. Nope. Okay. I don't think inserts have been numbered yet. Nope. Okay. So 11 of 11. Which one was the 11? Was that the orange one? So orange is a good color to hit. Captain Williams for Swansea City. I think I watched them last night. Ashley Williams. And Fraser Forster. Autograph. Fraser Forster autograph. He went to the same autograph school as that other guy. Sunderland captain, O'Shea. O'Shea? Man, that's weird. Not sure what's causing that. And Leighton Baines autograph. Getting a little better there. Oh, awesome. Jacques, thank you, sir. Here's another green. I think the green was the 50. What is that? Edin Dzeko, numbered 32 of 60. 32 of 60. Then we've got another one of those ones. Those are freaking sweet looking. New signings of Costa. Diego Costa, numbered 11 of 50. So that's a new signings purple. 11 of 50. Oh, what do we got going on here? 22 of 50. Dual relics or something. Is it ripped in the middle? I can't tell. Oh, it is. Dang it. That little middle part came up. This part. I'll leave it there, mnum, but honestly, you might be better off just taking it out because it's fine with it out, I think. But I'll leave it there. Dynamic duos of James Ward-Prowse and Fraser Forster. Dual mem. First I thought it was going to be dual auto. That's kind of funny though. All the mems so far have been 130 point, but then the dual one is like 55 or 75. Dzeko? Yeah. I actually hear about him over here. They should have one auto, one relic left at least, like, or some combo of the two. Future Stars of Liam Moore. Liam Moore. Not numbered on that one. And it's going to be an auto, I guess. $77 of 99, Christian Benteke. Going out on a limb on that one. But number to 99, Benteke. It's kind of got a good autograph. I mean, it's not like legible, but at least it's more than just a couple loops. Got the best one of the bunch. I will say the soccer autographs, I feel like are some of the worst of all autographs. Every time I see sporting autograph stuff here, their autographs are terrible. Alright, here we go, Fatty. Here's a, I think that's purple. Yeah, it's going to be purple something. Leonardo Ulloa, number 32 of 50, purple. And flip. Lallana. Adam Lallana. Relic. Plays for Liverpool. Adam Lallana. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 2, 4, 6 numbered parallels. mnum. There you have it.